the most merciful. Today we're drawing and coloring in S for Sunfish. We started the series of alphabet learn with fish. So first of all we draw the sketch of S for Sunfish. Now we fill the color in it.
Amazing!
Wow!
Amazing!
Wow!
I hope you like my video, my drawing and my coloring. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos.